In this video, I'm about to show you what is Perplexity AI and how can I make use of it. Perplexity AI is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to provide users with comprehensive answers to their question by utilizing natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. It leverages vast amount of information from the internet to generate accurate and relevant responses, making it useful for various applications such as research, content creation, and general inquiries. To make use of Perplexity AI effectively, start by visiting the Perplexity AI website or downloading the mobile app if available. Once there, you can enter your question or prompt into the search bar. The tool will analyze your input and generate a detailed response based on its knowledge base. You can ask a wide range of questions from specific inquiries about topic to broader inquiries. Perplexity AI provides answers that may include summaries, explanations, or links to relevant sources for further reading. If you need clarification or additional information, you can follow up with more specific questions. Additionally, you can utilize Perplexity AI for brainstorming ideas, generating content outlines, or finding information on niche topics. The tool can help streamline research process by quickly providing relevant data and insight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.